Hello and welcome back. This is John, and I'm welcoming to my channel Prosperity. In today's video, we are just going to talk about something like new and something like new branded. Okay, so let's start the video. This is your boy John. So in today's video, we will just talk about the eTrade website and honest review I will give you here. So the eTrade investment trading and like your retirement plans, so take control of your financial future, right? Whatever your goals in life, start investing for your future with eTrade from Morgan Strength. Like in this website, you can do much things like each and everything I will gonna explain you. Just do your one thing to me, attention with fully watching the video at the end, and you will know how the website will be work. Right? That's good. So there are a lot of things. How do I open my account online, by phone, by email, like by many things. Okay, choose the account type you want and the complete our e-trade from Morgan Stanley brokerage, like these things. Okay, so you can open the account by phone number by calling on this phone number, and by email download an application and then print it out and complete and sign the application, right? So this is the way you can upload the account. And basically this is the first page of the website, and there are a lot of things in this website. eTrade, remember, this kind of website is not a scam, but I'm not pretty sure to say you just invest on this website. Disclaimer is that I'm not asking you, I'm not offering you to invest on these website. What we are, or any other person like making video, we are just making the honest reviews, right? So there are a lot of things like our accounts. Okay, most popular account, brokerage account, right? Investing in trading account, it will call by the investing and trading account, right? Buy and sell stocks, ETFs, like funds, right? And like most of our account have more, so core portfolios, automated investment management, right? And there are multiple other accounts, as you know, that as you remember in the last video I just make Charles script. The video was regarding to these same purpose. The nature of the video was that to like investment and retirement plans from the website, and I did my honest review. If you don't watch it, the video, you can go throughout and check out on Prosperity online. And the another one, the third one, premium saving account, like is that, and traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA. So like the last video, I just like the first video and the last video of my channel. Basically, there are five accounts of investment, like you can say investment and trading. Like so, in this website, we get six accounts. Like one is extra. So this website will be more interested. So you have to pay attention. You and then I will give you the things what I'm actually trying to explain you. So Roth IRA, rule over IRA, controlling ruling on your old 401k plan assets to an e-trade from Morgan, Australia IRA. Like there are a lot of insurance website and investment website. You can see the retirement website, you can see the trading and stocks website, bond website, but you can never judge that how I invest. Okay, so account type, you can go to account type by the brokerage. Like there are a lot of things, investment accounts, right? Brokerage accounts, and new to investments. Like, there are a lot of things. So I just have to tell you that things, retirement accounts, right? There are rural IRAs, the retirement account, Roth IRA, and traditional IRA, and as well as inherited E-Trade, complete IRA, IRA for minors. Like there are six account, all is just on the retirement plans, the retirement, you can say, accounts. So what you want, which kind of account you need, you can click to apply now or open account, then you will open. So another one is core portfolios. automated investment management, like you have to just put money and it will automatically management by the website, like developers or the employers, right? So it's up to you that guys, how much you have to invest and why are you investing. There are always the purpose of the investment, why you are just about to, investing. Is there any something like specific, or something is like another thing? So that's why. So you have to do what we think customized to you, and build to help you reach your goals, and sit back and let us do the work. Just you sit back on your home and do the work. Pay as low as 1.5 to 0.3. What you get with the core portfolio or customized portfolio, monitoring to keep you on track, help whenever you need it, like a long-term investment strategy. Three things, like you will get tax smart investment, right? So this is just a core portfolios, and the thing is that managed portfolios, the core portfolios is a part of managed portfolio, and the Morgan Stanley financial advisor, like he's the advisor in the like investment, like how where you invest, how you invest, like these things, and the small businesses, right? Okay, now we are on the small businesses investment or retirement, like traditional and Roth IRA, simple IRA, SEP IRA, and investment only account. Like there are four ways to can small business account retirement. And the USA, everybody just trying to invest the money, and should be the investor and the producer in your life, because these things are important to do. And I'm gonna explain you that things what we are just trying to reach you out. Why we reaching you out by these videos? Because I want to, and my team basically wants to give you that things what we are actually trying to do. And this kind of website, like why investment in stocks, growth for additional income, flexibility control. So this website like give you the knowledge, like why you should choose this website. So it makes different from the other website. So and as well as very soon, I'm just going to make another videos about to this kind of website insurance, as well as investment in retirement and stock bonds, like each and everything. I'm just gonna explain you. So stocks is also a big thing, like stocks, option, mutual funds, the ETFs, right? Features, and you can say CDS, more things like IPO, new like bonuses. There are a lot of things, right? So the name is etrade. You can search by yourself. If you have any question, you can ask to me. Thank you so much, and just subscribe the channel Prosperity. Or will be made in the next video as soon as possible. Just give you a honest review. If you have any question, ask me. Have a good day. Bye bye.